Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm over the age of 35, and I love jewelry. But there's a different look for me now than when I was younger. As someone in my age category, I want to look elegant, and I want my jewelry to look expensive. I don't want it chunky. I cook a lot, so with my hands, I don't want something that's going to get in the way, and I work with blenders and appliances. But I always want to look elegant. You may have noticed in the past couple of years, I was no longer wearing jewelry because I got unmarried. I felt odd about putting a big piece of jewelry on that I bought myself because I think it sends a message to the world that some suitor must have bought me that jewelry. Well, I'm on my own, so I went shopping for jewelry, and things that I were seeing weren't really to my taste. My skin's not the same as when I was 20, so I needed to find a beautiful, elegant style of jewelry that would be delicate but real and not too expensive. I found Blush & Bar. They have an amazing line of jewelry, everything from earrings, necklaces, rings, bracelets, anything you can think of, they've got. And it's made with 18 karat vermeil gold. And that's wonderful when I put it together with the diamonds they have and the other rare gemstones. I had so much fun looking at their rings because I need to wear more rings in my cooking videos. It's just more interesting when I'm stirring the pancake mix to have a beautiful ring on. I also think I need a delicate bracelet too. Elegant jewelry makes my hands look prettier. I spent a lot of time and money on my nails, and it was time that I wore some rings. So I've got 5 jewelry tips for older girls. My first tip is less is more. I wouldn't say my hands are my best feature at my age. So I need something to make them look pretty, and it may not be my hands. So this will take the eye away from little flaws I might have in my hands. I also cut myself a lot in cooking. I don't want those nicks to show up. So the jewelry takes the eye away from that. Number 2 is your hands might swell a little bit the older you get. So you need something delicate, taking the eye to the beauty of your hands, and that would be the jewelry, not to those swelling fingers. Tip number 3 is we need to look younger, and having a fun young style of jewelry helps us to achieve that. I like to dress young, I wear my hair long to look young, and I want my jewelry to help augment my attempt at looking younger. And it does. I love their thumb rings because that's a very young look. And the bracelet too, the way it goes around my wrist and I can close it to my size. The thin style of that makes my wrists and arms look thinner. It's a very dainty look. Tip 4 is they go with everything. They match my lifestyle, which is full encompassing. They're with me when I get all dressed up and wear a dress and go out to dinner. And they're great with jeans and a t-shirt as I'm doing house cleaning around the house. And number 5 is I need something that I can wear every day, and I don't need to take these off at night. They're not going to bug me while I'm sleeping. I wear them in the shower, I wear them doing dishes, I wear them everywhere. And they're beautiful, and they always look great. I worry that when I'd wash something, I would rub off the color of the metal, not with this 18 karat vermeil gold. It's high quality gold. And for moms and sisters and girlfriends, the box is beautiful to send as a gift. When I opened mine, I had all these things inside. I'd ordered a number of pieces. Singularly, they were beautiful, and I started putting them on my right ring finger, and then the one on my left, I had it be very, very simple because I didn't want to tell the world, oh, I'm engaged. I just wanted to have something beautiful on that finger. I got 2 matching ones from my center finger. Oh, and there's my thumb. And doesn't that look pretty? My left hand with the thumb ring and all the other rings. I love that look, and I love the bracelet above it. So there they all are together on both of my hands. Quiz is, how much did you notice the flaws and imperfections on those hands when you're looking at the rings? I proved my point. Comment and let me know what your issues are with jewelry. Do you like jewelry? Do you wear rings? These Blush & Bar rings are so small and dainty they don't interfere with my life. They only add. Click the link below and check out Blush & Bar's full line of jewelry. I'm Rebecca Brand, subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of my new videos. And let's keep making great videos in life. And this video is about delicate elegance. I love these rings.